I'll show you here how we can create menus in the WordPress. It is very easy to create menus in the WordPress. So simply we are on the dashboard of the WordPress here. So we will be creating menu here. So we can see and simply find the pages. First of all, if you want to create a menu, so what details we need? First details we need is that number one, there is an internal menu. If you want to create some internal menus, we need information for that. If you want some external menus, so we should know the external menu. So what does it mean by the internal and external menu? Internal menu means a sorry within a website, and external menu means outside website. Means whatever domain you have, whatever the website you have, if you are browsing the page inside the domain, it is called internal menu. If you are browsing the page outside your domain, it's called external menu. So we can create both the menu. For internal menu, what we need is that a page or post or category. So we can use anything here for the internal menu. Here what we need, any website where we want to divert the website traffic. So we will create here both. So I will create first page here and show you how to create a page. So simply search for the pages in the left section. Here you can see the pages here. Simply click on pages and you will see all the pages which was by default created in the theme. We can see here all the pages here which will show here. So we can see here lots of pages are visible on the screen on the pages. So what we will do here, we will simply click on add new, and it can be seen on the top section of the pages. We can simply click on add new and we will wait for the page to load. The page will load here and it will ask for the title, or it will ask for the page name, or it will ask for something. So we'll see what it is going to ask here, and we have to enter the detail what it is asking. So we can see here block editor. Simply click or close here because we don't want to use this one. So it is asking for the title here. So if we are going to create any page, we have to enter the title. Title appears in the top section of the address bar. You can see here in the tab section. So here we will write the title. So I'm creating here a dummy page, demo page. So I will write here demo. Example, I'm writing a demo so that we can recognize demo page is being created during the recording. Demo page you are writing, so you can write anything here. Once you've done the demo page, in the right side you will see all the page settings. It's up to you if you want to change the settings or not. If you don't want to change the settings, it's up to you totally. Simply it's showing here slide template default. If you want to a blank page template, you can click here on. If you don't want the blank one, simply click on off here and click on publish. Once you click on publish, it will ask for you confirmation again. Once you are ready to publish, click on simply publish here. They will give you, it will show you one link here, copy link or copy page, view page. Simply click on view page. You will see here a page which we have created right now. So it's a demo page. It's a demo page here. It's showing here on the top of the bar. If you see the title demo page, so both is clearly very visible. Now the page is created here. So simply we will, if you want to add this page as a menu, as a demo page, then we can simply put the demo page as a menu here on the top section on the header also. So you can see here it is showing here home, services, books, events, cases, make an appointment, pages. So we can bring here on the first option, second option, third, wherever we want, we can bring this demo page menu. So how we will do this? Let's see here. So welcome back. Let's come back to the dashboard again. This one is the page dashboard. Simply click on W, your WordPress logo W. It will move back to the dashboard of the WordPress, and we simply click here and see. So we will look for the menus. Where is the menu? So menus we can find out in appearance section under the menu. Simply click here in the menus. Here you will see lot of menus are showing here. Lot of structure will show you here. So a structure basically define which area you want to increase the menu part. Example, here is the menu structure, extra link. So extra link has something like this menu, about, news, contact, all this extra menu. Click on the main menu, top menu, and click on select it, and we can just simply click on leave. We will see here it will show us the main menu, top menu here on the bar, and if, whatever the menus are visible on the website top page, So it is showing here about services, books, events. This is all visible here, about services, books, event, and all. So here we will click on demo one which we have done right now. Demo page is here. Click on this one page what we have created just now. Click to the add to menu. So at the bottom of the page, you can see here demo will come here. Demo page here, and click on save. Simply click on save and see, and refresh the website and see if you can see the demo page in the last of the pages or not. So it's visible here. That's great. So in this way we create the menu. If you want to move this demo page to the first option place, simply we need to click on the demo and just drag to the up. The page is loading right now, so just wait for the page load. So the page is already loaded here. So what we will do here, just simply move back and click on the demo page, and we move it to the top of the page and see. Let's see, move to the top of the page again. Simply I have just clicked the demo page and we are moving to the top of the page, and we simply click here, and again from here I will move to the more top because I don't want to put in the under the menu. So we just simply browse slowly we have to move it up. Here it is coming, demo page here, new one. Again go here, demo page is here again. Simply click here and leave it here, then just click on demo here too. If you want to make between services and the books one, simply we'll just release the page mouse button here. So I have just replaced I have just put the demo page between services and books, and simply click on save menu. Now check the website, the demo page, this menu will come between this one, and we can see here demo has changed the position. In this way we can change the sequence or order of the menu, which when menu has to come on the first part, second part, and third part, in this way. So it's loading right now. Now we can see here demo page is showing here. Just simply refresh the page again and see this pages has been changed here. Not the demo is already changed here. Click on the save menu once again. If it is not saved here, click here. Now we can see here demo is on the third option now. So in this way we can change the menu very easily. So in this way we create the menu. It is called internal menu. If we click on about also, the demo page will show here, and it is the internal menu which we are going to see here. So actually basically default page is already replaced from some other pages. So when we click on services, so we can see here it's already replaced with the services page here. So we can see a demo page is already working here. So if you want to change the uh, just I'm changing from here only. So I will just go back to the 21st year and see the main pages will show here, and all the menus will also be visible here, and we can see demo pages coming here. So if you want to put some external menu means outside the website. So simply we go to the menu again and click here and search for the custom link. Simply click on custom link. I will put here Google as an external menu, https://google.com, and I write here Google. Click on the add menu and save the menu here from the right section, and I will refresh the website and see after pages Google word is coming or not. So whenever if it is coming here Google, we will click on the Google. It will redirect me to the main website of the Google. It is called external menu. When I will click here, it will go to the Google. So this is the called external menu. In this way you can create internal menu and external menu both in the website. It is very easy. You can change the order sequence of the menus as well. So hopefully you have understood how we create menus in the WordPress. It was very simple, very easy to do. If you are getting some problem, please rewatch the video again, repeat the video again, and see how we have done this. Thanks for watching my video.